The company registration portal now has built-in AI-powered features to make your registration seamless. It includes real-time name checks to ensure your business registration names meet compliance, smart business name suggestions, and instant registration processing. No more waiting. AI-powered CRP. Welcome to ICRP. If you are an accredited CAC agent, you should be familiar with this update. But in case you are not, here is the gist. But I'm more concerned with my public users, that's people that want to do their business registration by themselves. As what we are concerned with is how to do things yourself. This is the gist. CAC has incorporated AI into their system so that as they promise there will be seamless stress. It will be easy for registration, instant rename check, and instant registration. No more waiting as they promise. But here is the thing again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the new CAC registration portal. We are no longer using the pre.cac.gov.ng, but currently if you still type it in, it's going to automatically redirect you to the current registration URL, which is icrp.cac.gov.ng, which is the current CAC registration URL. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So in case you have not subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Head on to your browser and type icrp.cac.gov.ng and it will automatically bring you to this home page. Look at the promises: instant approval, AI powered CRP, instant processing. So to get started, just click on the get started now so that it will take you to this home page. This is exactly the same thing as I said earlier. You still have that public search. The number 2 is reserve a name. Number 3 is pre-incorporation and post-incorporation. So unlike the former one that you have to go and name search first before you now go to pre.cac, but this time you do everything in same home page. Okay, so you click sign up if you have not signed up before, or log in if you have created accounts before. But here I'm still going to show you how to navigate, how to sign up. So I'm going to click on the sign up now so that you will see how the requirements for you to open a account with CAC in case you have not done it before. So you still have 3 or 2 categories: public users, which are individuals that just want to register their business by themselves. This one, you must be either the sole proprietor, you must be the proprietor or maybe the director of the company. Okay, but if you want to register as accredited agent, you have the access to register other third parties like companies or business name for others. But here, to be accredited, you must have at least one of these. Must be a lawyer, or be a chartered accountant, or be a chartered secretary or administrator. If you are none of these above, you cannot be an accredited agent. So but for the public search, you can be public user, you can be just a proprietor or a director. So now you have to log in after you have created accounts with them. You can either log in with your username or your email or phone number or accredited number if you are an accredited agent. Okay, so either of these 4, you can use them to log in. If in case you want to be accredited, just open an account as accredited agent and they will give you the requirements. Okay, so after you log in, after you put either your username or your email address, log in, it will bring you to this homepage. So because of this AI, so they are still introducing 2-factor authentication, like that's 2FA, so that they will ensure that you are the one that is actually accessing your portal, that's your registration portal. You can verify your email address, or in case you did not add email before, you can add your email now. So just click on enable 2-factor authentication and they will send you login code to your email address, which you just, that's enter OTP. Check your email, it will be there. So once you put it, it will automatically bring you to your home page or maybe to your dashboard. So can you see it's the same thing? It's the same thing, just the rearrangement, or maybe it's the same thing. So there is no much difference there. So in case you still want to register your business by yourself, just click on new registration or new reservation and you start your process. In case you need help, that's the space for help. In case you want to contact them, this is their customer number or help desk. So in case maybe your registration is not fast enough, you can contact them maybe through the phone call or maybe through their email address as their help desk. New reservation, name requiring consent. So any of them, in case you want to register new business, that's new reservation, you can just click here and you start your new name reservation or maybe your company registration. So it's not a hard thing. You just know how to go through them, like just go through them, and it's not a hard task. Okay, so it's the same thing, just that they introduce AI so that it will be faster and you don't have to wait long before they will approve your business name. So I hope this helped. In case you have not subscribed, please like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification so that when we post the next video, you'll be among the first people to be informed. Thank you. Bye.